Hello all, welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn a topic, time and work. This is the most important topic for any competitive exams. Either you take Indian exams like SSC, GATE, IAS and any state government exams of any level, you will see at least one or two questions from this topic. And for high-level exams like GRE, GMAT, CAT and placement papers also. We will understand the topic first and then you will never need to remember the formula again. A can do a work in 2 days. This is the simplest statement in the time and work topic. Let us consider A as a person. It says A takes 2 days to complete the given task. Therefore, he will do 50% of work in first day and another 50% of work in second day. That is, A finishes 1 by 2 of work in first day and another 1 by 2 of work in second day. So, together, he will finish the work in 2 days. Let us see this in detail. Here, A completes 1 by 2 of work, that is 50% of work in first day and another 50% of work, that is 1 by 2 of work in the second day. So, it takes on the whole 2 days to complete the work. From this, we can conclude if A takes 2 days to complete the work, he does 1 by 2 of work every day. Suppose if A takes 3 days to complete the work, he will do 1 by 3rd of work every day. That is 1 by 3rd of work in first day, 1 by 3rd of work in second day and 1 by 3rd of work in third day. If A takes 8 days to complete a work, then he will do 1 by 8th of work every day. Let's generalize the term. If A takes n days to complete a work, then he will finish 1 by nth of work every day. We can say this in reverse also. Suppose A finishes 1 by 4th of work every day, he will complete the entire work in 4 days. Suppose he finishes 1 by 6th of work every day, then he will take 6 full days to complete the entire task. From this, we know time is inversely proportional to work. Let's move on to the first question. The question says A takes 2 days to complete a work and B takes 3 days to complete the same work. In how many days they will finish the work if they work together? Now we will solve this question using the conventional form and other questions by shortcut methods. Now the question says if A takes 2 days to complete a work and B takes 3 days to complete the work, in how many days A and B together will complete the work? If A takes 2 days to complete the work, he will finish 1 by 2 of work every day. If B takes 3 days to complete the work, he will finish 1 by 3 of work every day. So, the work done by A and B for one day is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, which will give 5 by 6. If A and B togetherly completes 5 by 6 of work every day, they will take 6 by 5 of days to complete the entire work. It is simple. Like 1 by nth of work every day will lead to completion of entire work in n days. It seems like a big process, right? That's why we have to learn the shortcut. If we solve this question in shortcut form, we'll solve the question, the conventional type, in one page. I'll give the explanation. If A takes 2 days to complete a work, he will finish just 1 by 2 of work every day. If B finishes the total work in 3 days, he will finishes 1 by 3 of work every day. Togetherly, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 will give 5 by 6. So, A and B togetherly finishes 5 by 6 of work every day. If they finish 5 by 6 of work every day, they will take 6 by 5 total days to finish the work. The second question is, A takes 45 days to complete a task and B takes 30 days to complete the same task. How many days will they take if they work together? Now, we are going to solve this question using a shortcut. This is because 1 by 45 plus 1 by 30 will take more time for many of us. Especially when we do this problem in examination hall, it will consume the unnecessary timings. A takes 45 days to complete a work and B takes 30 days to complete the same work. If A and B work together, in how many days they will finish? This is the question. Now we are going to assume that the total work to be done by both A and B is constant. Let us assume the number 90. Why 90? 90 is the least possible LCM of both the numbers 45 and 30. In the simplest way, 90 is divided by both the numbers 45 and 30. In not only 90, you can take other LCM also like 180 and 270 also, but it should be the LCM of the numbers 45 and 30. Now we are assuming 90 units is the total work. If 90 units is the total work and A finishing it in 45 days, that means he is finishing 2 units of work every day. That is 90 divided by 45 is 2. Similarly, 90 is the total work and B finishing it in 30 days, he is finishing 3 units of work every day. 90 divided by 30 is 3. If A and B work together, they are finishing 5 units of work every day. If A and B finishing 5 units of work every day, how long will they take to complete the 90 units of work? This is the question. The answer is 90 divided by 5 is 18. Here 18 is the answer. If A and B work together, they will finish the work in 18 days. Now here is the answer. The A finishing the work in 45 days and B finishing it in 30 days. We are assuming the units 90 units. So 90 divided by 45 is 2. 90 divided by 30 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 units. 90 divided by 5 is 18 units. A and B together finishes the work in 18 days. Now we are going to solve the third question. The question says A takes 36 days to complete a task and B takes 24 days to complete the same task. How many days will they take if they work together? Now again 1 by 36 by 1 by 24 will take the more time. So we are going to solve this question using the shortcut form. The question says A takes 36 days to complete the work and B takes 24 days to complete the same work. How long will they take if they work together? So now we are going to assume the LCM of both the numbers 36 and 24, that is 72. I'll tell you a trick. If you don't know how to find the number 72, just multiply the largest number of given two, that is 36 and 24. The maximum number, highest number is 36. Multiply that number as 1, 2 or 5. Check whether that number is divisible by the second number. You will get the LCM. So 72 by 36 is 2 and 72 by 34 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 72 divided by 5 is 14.4. That is the answer. If they work together, they will finish in 14.4. Here is the answer with the shortcut. Here the question says A takes 36 days to complete a work and B takes 24 days to complete the same work. Now we are going to take the LCM of both the numbers, that is 6 and 24, that is 72. 72 divided by 36 is 2 and 72 divided by 24 is 3. If A finishes 2 units of work and B finishes 3 units of work, togetherly they will finish 5 units of work every day. So 72 divided by 5 equal to 14.4 days. So if A and B work together, they will finish the full work in 14.4 days. Yes, we have come to the end of the session. The last question says A takes 60 days to complete a task and B takes 50 days to complete the same task. How many days will they take if they work together? I'm not going to solve this question. Just solve it by yourself. It is going to take few seconds and comment your answer below. And last importantly, subscribe to the channel.